Hello, dear learners. Welcome back to the Chill English channel. I'm Sophia.
And I'm Jake. It's great to have you here again.
Today, we're going on a little trip to the airport. We'll learn useful English for traveling.
Sounds exciting. But before we start, please subscribe to our channel and give this video a like. It really helps us create more lessons for you.
Exactly. Now, let's get ready for our flight. Jake, do you know how to check in at the airport?
Not really. I always feel a bit nervous when I travel.
No worries. Let's go step by step. When you reach the check-in counter, you can say, "Hi, I have a flight to New York. Can I check in here?"
Hi, I have a flight to New York. Can I check in here?
Perfect. Then the staff will probably ask, "Can I see your passport and ticket, please?"
And what should I say?
You just hand them over and say, "Here you go."
Here you go. Got it.
Nice. Then they might ask, "How many bags are you checking in?"
I can say, just one suitcase, right?
Exactly. After that, they'll give you your boarding pass. You can politely say, "Can I have my boarding pass, please?"
Can I have my boarding pass, please? Sounds polite.
Yes, and that boarding pass shows your gate number and boarding time.
What's a gate?
It's the place where you board the plane, kind of like the plane's door in the airport.
Oh, I see. So I have to go to my gate on time.
Exactly. If you arrive late, you might miss your flight.
That would be terrible. Thanks for explaining.
You're welcome. Let's practice once. I'll be the airport staff.
Okay. Hi, I have a flight to New York. Can I check in here?
Yes, may I have your passport and ticket, please?
Here you go.
How many bags are you checking in?
Just one suitcase.
Here's your boarding pass. Your gate is 12B. Boarding starts at 3:30 p.m.
Thank you very much.
Great job! You sound confident.
So, after check-in, what's next?
Next, you go through security. That's where they check your bags and scan your body before you enter the boarding area.
Oh, that part always makes me nervous.
It's easy if you stay calm. First, wait in line, then show your passport and boarding pass again. Keep them in your hand, not in your bag.
Okay. What happens after that?
You'll see a machine with a belt. Put your carry-on bag on the belt so it can be scanned.
What's a carry-on bag?
It's the small bag you take onto the plane, not the big one you checked in.
Got it. And what should I say there?
Usually, you don't need to say much, but sometimes they might say, "Take off your shoes," or "Take your laptop out of your bag."
What if I don't understand?
Just say, "Sorry, can you repeat that, please?" Or, "Can you say that again slowly?"
Sorry. Can you repeat that, please?
Excellent. That's the right way. They might also ask, "Do you have any liquids?"
I can answer, no, I don't, or yes, I have a small bottle of water, right?
Exactly. But remember, no large bottles of liquid are allowed on the plane.
Okay, no big bottles, I'll remember that.
After they scan your bag, you walk through the metal detector. If it beeps, don't worry. The officer will just check quickly. Stay calm and polite.
All right, that doesn't sound too bad.
Great. Now, after security, It's time to find your gate.
How do I find it?
Look at the signs or screens in the airport. They show directions like A3 or B12. Just follow the sign for your gate number.
And if I can't find it, I can ask, "Excuse me, where is gate 12B?"
Exactly. Or, how do I get to gate 12B? Both are polite.
What if I'm hungry before boarding?
Then you can go to a cafe and say, "Can I see the menu, please?" Or, "I'd like a coffee."
I always feel like coffee when I travel.
Me too. Just don't lose track of time. Listen for announcements. They usually say things like, "Flight 22 to New York is now boarding at gate 12B."
So when I hear that, I go to the gate and line up.
Exactly. Show your passport and boarding pass again, and then you walk to the plane.
Do I need to say anything?
A simple hello or thank you is enough.
All right, I'm on the plane now. What should I do first?
Find your seat. The seat number is written on your boarding pass, for example, 14A.
So, row 14, seat A. What does A mean?
The letter shows where your seat is. A is by the window. C or D might be by the aisle, which is the walkway.
I prefer the window seat. I love looking at the clouds.
Same here. Once you find your seat, put your bag in the overhead bin or under the seat in front of you.
Should I talk to the flight attendants?
Sure, if you need something. You can say, "Excuse me, can you have a blanket, please?" Or, "Can I ask something?"
And if I'm thirsty?
Wait until they serve drinks. Then you can say, "I'd like some water," or, "Can I have orange juice?"
Easy enough. What if I don't understand what they say?
You can always say, "Sorry, I didn't understand. Can you repeat that, please?"
Perfect. And about seatbelts.
Fasten it when the sign is on. That means stay seated.
What if I want to go to the restroom?
Wait until the seatbelt sign is off. If you can't find it, ask, "Excuse me, where is the restroom?"
I feel more confident now.
Great. Sometimes during the flight, you'll get a small form to fill out, a customs or immigration form.
What do I write on it?
Your name, passport number, flight number, and the reason for your trip, like tourism, business, or study.
Do I need to carry a pen?
Yes, always keep one with you when traveling. It's super handy.
Okay. The plane has landed. What now?
Stay seated until the seatbelt sign goes off. Then get your bag and leave the plane.
And after that?
You'll go to passport control. The officer might ask, "Why are you visiting?" or "How long will you stay?"
I can answer, "I'm here for vacation," or "I'll stay for 2 weeks."
Exactly. After that, you'll head to baggage claim, the place where you pick up your suitcase.
What if I can't find my bag?
Go to the help desk and say, "Excuse me, I can't find my bag."
Okay, I got my suitcase. What's next?
Now it's time for customs. That's where they check what you're bringing into the country.
How does that work?
You'll see two lines, green and red. Green means you have nothing to declare. Red means you have something to declare.
What does declare mean?
It means you tell the officer if you're carrying valuable or restricted items like alcohol, large amounts of money, or goods to sell.
I only have my clothes and laptop.
Then go through the green channel. If someone stops you, just say, "I have personal items, nothing to declare."
I have personal items, nothing to declare. That sounds easy.
It is. And that's it. You're done with your trip.
Wow, I've learned so much today. From check-in to customs.
You did great. Let's quickly review some of the most useful phrases. Ready?
Ready.
I have a flight to New York. Can I check in here?
I have a flight to New York. Can I check in here?
Here you go.
Here you go.
Can I have my boarding pass, please?
Can I have my boarding pass, please?
Excuse me, where is gate 12B?
Excuse me, where is gate 12B?
Can I have a coffee, please?
Can I have a coffee, please?
Where is the restroom?
Where is the restroom?
I have personal items, nothing to declare.
I have personal items, nothing to declare.
Fantastic, Jake. These are the key phrases every traveler needs.
Thanks, Sophia. I feel ready for my next flight now.
And thank you, dear learners, for joining us today. Remember to like this video and subscribe to the Chill English channel for more real-life English lessons.
Safe travels, everyone, and happy learning.